Hoover saw this coming, and I should make this point. In one of his great speeches in 1932, re-election speech, October 31st, 1932, in Madison Square Garden, he says, "This election is more than a contest between two men. It's more than a contest between two parties. It's a contest between two philosophies of government, and its outcome will dictate or determine the fate of the country for a century to come." He says that. He later said that was one of the most prophetic things he ever wrote or stated.